Hello, friends. Welcome to Decorative Wall Shelves Unveiled, where we believe that every wall is a canvas waiting to be adorned with exquisite and functional decor. Our channel is dedicated to inspiring and guiding you in the art of wall shelf decoration. We understand that the right arrangement of shelves and decor can transform any space, be it a cozy corner or sprawling living room, into a personalized sanctuary. Join us on a journey of creativity and design expertise as we curate a treasure trove of ideas, tips, and die projects to elevate your interior decor game. From minimalistic to bohemian flair, we explore a spectrum of styles to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Our carefully curated videos feature step-by-step tutorials, insightful tips, and in-depth analysis of various shelf styles, materials, and arrangements. We delve into the world of color palettes, textures, and commentary elements to help you achieve a harmonious balance in your decor. In addition to showcasing we inspiring shelf setups, we also provide practical advice on optimizing storage, creating focal points, and infusing personality into your space. Our aim is to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to turn your living space into a showcase of your unique style and personality. We believe that decorating with shelves is not just about aesthetics but also about functionality. Discover how to blend form and function seamlessly with our expert advice on organizing and displaying your cherished belongings. So, subscribe now and